Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com here. I wanted to make a quick video on, a price prediction, analysis, and forecast on Stratis. I briefly, I think, mentioned this one in my best altcoin video, saying that it was maybe one of the more interesting ones to watch. But to be honest, I looked into it a bit more, and it's not looking pretty right now. I'm not really going to get into the fundamental details of this coin. It has a good supply. Their website looks good and everything. They're more of a developer-based coin, for C# and stuff. But if you look at the price action, that is where you might start seeing some concerns. And, I was also browsing on the Stratis subreddit earlier today, and I noticed that a lot of people were basically just sort of in a miserable state and became bag holders, holding on to this cryptocurrency. And if you don't know what a bag holder is, it's basically when you invested in a company or something, its price went down and it just keeps falling down, You hold it thinking that'll one day come back up, but its fate is pretty bad and just ends up falling like a rock. Just keeps on falling basically. And if you look at the chart over here, it's not looking great. Like I said, basically it broke out of its uptrend. So broke below its uptrend right over here, and so it's currently now officially out of its uptrend and fully in a downtrend now. It had a really nice peak at $10, and it had a lot of attention on it and a lot of eyes on it. A lot of people talking about it in this area when it was sort of sky high, and it just didn't catch on really. It seems like I'm not sure what's going on with the project currently and stuff, but it seems like this coin is going to become a bit of a dead coin pretty soon and sort of just fall off the ranking pretty quickly if this continues, right? I mean, this is a pretty massive drop, right? From $10 to $10 in June down to now $3.50 in just like a few months. That's a really bad drop, especially considering the current state of the crypto market, right? I mean, cryptocurrencies have only been going. I mean, they had a pullback, right, because of the China drama, but the uptrend is nice and up, right? And in this crypto environment and market environment, you don't want to be seeing a massive downtrend like this, right? This is an anomaly compared to at least the main cryptocurrencies, right? Like I said, the market is doing well, except for the recent pullback, but the pullback was only maybe 3 weeks ago, right? It wasn't in June. This wasn't, it wasn't here. It wasn't in July. This wasn't the period of fear that begun 3 weeks ago, right? So this should be an uptrending coin, and it's not. And I know that this video might get a lot of hate because whenever you're bearish at cryptocurrency and stuff, people have a vested interest in it doing well and stuff. So obviously, if I come here and bash the coin, people aren't happy about it. But I mean, I have to stay truthful and give you my honest opinion, right? And right now, it's in a bad downtrend. I think in the next couple months, it's going to hit the support level. From there, I think it'll either sort of get some flat and range-bound trading action, or it'll just break below this support level at $2.41, and then maybe catch itself around $1.18, something like that. So it's not looking great. The only thing, the last hope I would have for this coin, I guess you could say, is if it's a major bounce here, then maybe it could pan out to something. But it's not looking good, and this big downtrend over here is a pretty massive one. It's very, this is a strong downtrend, right? It's not even really breaking through it at all. So I would be careful here. And I guess, let's see, $3.77. Yeah, like I said, so pretty bad downtrend. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on this one. Definitely, I think it had its sort of 15 minutes of fame and is now dwindling down. So yeah, these are my thoughts on this coin. I'd be interested to hear yours. And like I said, I'm sorry to be bearish and sort of bash this coin, but to anybody who's sort of wants to defend this coin, my question to you is, if it's doing so well, right? If Stratis was so great, why is it falling like a rock, right? and that's typically just because, you know, dwindling interest in the coin, it's basically falling off, right? So yeah, I guess it's a bit sad because it seemed like something that could pan out well, you know. I guess nothing strikingly wrong with it, uh, you know, from a first viewpoint, but you know, when you get down to the chart, it's not the best. So yeah, let me know what you think. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency investing and trading videos. Thanks for watching.